Hey everybody, so I'm going to show y'all how to properly disinfect any nail tools, and these are all of the things that you're going to need. I got my barbicide, measuring cups, I got a little box, I got my gloves, and those are my spoil tools, my nail brush, and a pair of tweezers, and we're going to get right into how to do it. So first of all, I'm going to put my gloves on, and the rash on my hands, I had an allergic reaction, so please don't mind that. The first step is to clean your tools to remove all of the visible matter and residue. So basically, I'm just taking my nail brush and I applied the antibacterial soap onto it, and I'm just scrubbing all of the tools with that and rinsing them off. The second step is to rinse thoroughly, which I did while I was washing them, and then pat them dry with a clean towel. So that's basically what I'm doing here. The third step is to completely immerse implements in a properly mixed disinfectant solution for 10 minutes. So I'm going to get my little box out, which is right here. The reason you want to use this box instead of this jar right here is because you want to fully cover the tools. You don't want any part of the tool sticking out, which how that looks. You don't want that because that side will not get cleaned or disinfected. So in order to properly mix it, I'm taking the barbicide, and that's from my nail supply store. I'm taking 1 cup of water, which I poured in, and every 1 cup of water is 1 tablespoon of barbicide. So you'll see me pour the barbicide right here, and I'm pouring that in. You'll see me kind of mix it around just to get that correct mixture. Then I take my tweezers and I pick up my implements with the tweezers and just apply them into the solution. And you can do it with your fingers because you have gloves on, but I like to just be extra careful, so I'm using my tweezers. Then you're going to close the box or container and let them sit for 10 minutes. You're going to take your tweezers again to remove all of the tools out of the disinfectant, which is step number 4. And then you're going to move on to step number 5, which is rinse and dry the tools thoroughly. The reason you're rinsing it off is just to make sure there's no more barbicide left on these, because you don't want, this is the whole reason you're wearing gloves and everything. You really want to make sure that none of that barbicide is touching your skin or any type of contact at all. If it does, just make sure to wash your hands and just be careful. Once you're done, step 6 is to store the disinfected tools in a clean container. You never want to seal the tools inside a closed airtight container, or they may not completely dry, which can promote bacterial growth. So for me, I like to just keep my tools out until they are completely dry, which you'll see. And once they are, you are completely done. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.